2024, 4th of July, and we have our DJI drone. So, this is Laguna Beach's first time ever having a drone show. So hopefully I'm not breaking any rules by doing this, but we are literally on the corner of Cliff and Myrtle. Yeah, Cliff and Myrtle. And I got my Mini 2, so as you can see. Mini 2. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we can get.
Come on over. Come on over. Come on over. Come on over. Hey, oh yeah. Something's taking over. My head keeps spinning. I can't stop this feeling. Something's taking over. My head keeps spinning. I can't stop this feeling. Yeah, I can't get you out my mind, baby. I just want you here tonight. We can keep it on the low. No one ever has to know. I just want you all alone, maybe more than you could ever know. You should just come through tonight. Let me see you slay this ride. Maybe in the night you won't even question if it's real. I'ma give you life. I'm so fucking priceless, I'm a steal. Dim the lights, angels in the snow, that's how we feel. In your lust, I'm drowning, baby. Undercover, you're so bad, you make me feel so good. I like being naughty, not being the sun